Hey guys, this is gonna be my first video today. Yeah, I was just playing that song. Um, Sorry the sound is all messed up, but hopefully, so far away, but it's only, that's so weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a lip review, and yeah. So, this is an EOS, or an Echo. You guys can correct me down below in the comments if you want, if I didn't say it right, but I'm pretty sure it's EOS. I don't know what this one is, and I don't really like it. And then this one is my favorite. I've had it for probably since July, and it's mint flavored, and I love it. And then there's this fruit punch, Liplicious tasty lip color. Wait, it's backwards. And then there's this cotton candy one that I've had for about, this is from Bethany Body Works. This one I don't know, and I don't know how long I've had it, but it's cotton candy. And then this one is Sprite, and I have no idea where I got it, and I've had it for some odd years, and yeah, I just like it. And then there's these three baby lips that are Fierce and Tangy, Peach Kiss, and Minty Sheer, and I don't really like them. I've only had them for about a year, I think, and I just don't really like them. They're not the best. And then my two favorite baby lips are these two, and it's Peach Kiss and Cherry Me, and they're kind of my favorite because I love pink and reds. And then and I've had the red one for probably about a year, and then the pink one for since July. And then these three, I just don't really like the colors because this is like the skin color, and then this is green, and then this is yellow. Like, who would want that on their lips? I mean, I wouldn't. There's this vanilla mint that I got on Saturday, I believe, at Bath and Body Works, and it's vanilla mint. It's not really my favorite. It's kind of like plain like mint, but like with like a smell of vanilla. And then another one is Minty Cocoa that I'm wearing right now, actually, but that was like 3 hours ago, because I did a video at 1, but now it's like 4, because none of them worked. Hopefully this one works though, because I've been losing connection and all that. And then that was my favorite, and this one is just plain. This one is just, oh, and I got this one on Saturday at Bath and Body Works, if I didn't tell you already. And then this one I've had for about a year, and it's just plain mint. By the way, my Instagram is pet7579, and I'll leave that down below. Hopefully I can figure that out. You guys should tell me what, how to edit and stuff, because I have no idea how to do it. You guys should check out Bethany Mota, Johnny Sequoia, Pink vs. Pink, BF vs. GF, Superwoman, Madeline Bailey. You should check them all out. They're really amazing. I think Bethany Mota gave me a lot of inspiration to do a lot of things, and this is actually one of her shirts that I'm going to be saying this at every single end of the video, hopefully. And it says, I love you more than all the stars. I love you more than all the stars, yeah. Yeah, and I'm going to say that I love you guys more than all the stars, and please like, subscribe, and I'll be, yeah, okay, that's what I'm going to say. And I'm going to do like this, and be like, I love you guys more than all the stars, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, my Instagram was pets579, and my Twitter was, Amber Flamestar, yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm actually going to do a vlog on this camera, which is an iPhone 3GS, which is kind of crappy. And sorry, I don't know if that's a bad word and everything for you guys, but that's just the only thing I just say that's bad. And so that's that. And I'm going to be doing that on Wednesday morning, starting on Wednesday morning, and hopefully I'll be able to go. Hopefully the weather keeps up, and yeah, it might be kind of weird going on this camera, but Yeah. I love you guys more than all the stars, and please like, subscribe, maybe more suggestions for my videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!